Hi all, I'm Smokerman and today I'm going to present you Lineage OS. It's Android 9, the notification light is working, all the features are working in this ROM, okay? You have here a few things. You can swipe up on the home button like this, okay? It's very nice. You can use all the gestures, the jump to camera, swipe up. I'm gonna turn it off and show you here the status bar. You can have the network monitor here in the center, okay? You can put auto hide. Now I'm gonna disable, but you can use it. You can have the system icons here. You can change the clock position to center, to right, the normal, or to the left, okay? You can show seconds also. You can change the battery to text only, circle, or icon portrait, okay? You have all the languages here. You have the system profiles also. You can enable, I disable, okay? You can have the buttons and layout, you see. You can put left leaning, you can use right leaning, you can use compact, that's my favorite, and the normal. I use the compact. You can use an extra button on the left, okay? I'm gonna put none here. The double tap, it's to turn the screen off, all right? And you don't have any more terrific features, okay? The ROM is very smooth, very smooth. It's Android 9, very smooth. Ambient display works, okay? I'm gonna show you guys. If you wanna use it, don't forget that that is not an AMOLED display, so it's gonna drain your battery. But here it is, ambient display, if you guys want it. I prefer to use it like this, like the pickup. Okay, I'm just gonna put it here and I'm gonna pick up the phone. Okay, and it works, okay, it works. Not every time because the sensor, but work. You have the weather and I have the theme all black, okay? That is not the pixel experience. Battery, it's a great time. You can use it for 6 hours SOT, screen on time. You have the notifications always here also, okay? A good sound, I'm going to show you. I'm going to put here music. So working fine, and the camera, the interface is like that. Okay, you have the flash, you have HDR, you have auto, you have the pro mode also, okay? As you see, changing here, you have manual, you have the ISO also, as you see here, okay? So it's a great ROM. It saves the video at 1080p, okay, and no bugs at all. I have no bugs with this ROM. The fingerprint works fine. Just see, okay. So I hope you like the ROM. And don't forget to subscribe, to press the like button, and comment below if you have any answers, okay? Redmi 5 Rosy, Lineage OS, Android 9, running great on my Redmi 5, okay? I see you soon.